welcome back to my channel. And as you see in the title, we're gonna be doing a toy photography, dirt effect / explosions. Let's get right into it. Well guys, this is the end of the video, and thank you to Mr. 1020 to helping me out with the pictures. It was pretty fun. We spent literally almost 3 hours, right?
Yeah.
3 hours for 3 pictures. It's very tiring. He has to go home, so I'm gonna make this shirt. Go to his channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.